Dogecoin holders, how do you hope you're fine now, my friends? In this video I'm talking about the quick jump of the Dogecoin. When will the price of uh, take a quick jump? A lot of people ask me this type of business on my Instagram and my Telegram. So finally, my friends, I will decide. I'm going to decide to make a video for all of my viewers, my subscribers, my friend, that when will there's possibilities the Dogecoin price will pump and you will get profit, my friends. So keep watching this video complete. In this video we are going to discuss, but before starting this video, if you are new to my channel, so please click the subscribe button, also like this video, my friends. My friend, the currently price of the Dogecoin in the market is 0.230878 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Dogecoin. Furthermore, my friends, if we talk about the price changes, so now the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in the Dogecoin is negative, completely fast down occur in the Dogecoin. So that's why a lot of people ask me again and again that when will the price pump, when will the price of Dogecoin increase. So that's why the people are worrying about these, my friends. But don't worry, my friends, everything will be okay. You have to just patience, you have to just wait. Let me show you the price chart of the Dogecoin. What's going on? Oh my goodness, that is the last 1 hour update you can see here. And the last 1 hour price is completely fast down. Let me show you, my friends, at this time if we talk about the price change. So you, as I show you, my friends, in the start of this video, that's the last 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, the whole changes occur in the cardinal idea is negative, completely fast down occur. And you can see that is the last 1 week price chart of the Dogecoin. Sorry, last 3 days, you can see the last 3 days price completely going down, my friends. So you know what, I think that the first week of the July is the falling week of Dogecoin, my friends. But in the second week, my friends, after 10th July, there is a possibility that the price will pump. After 10th July, my friends, after 10th July, there is a possibilities. That's my personal prediction, my friends. We can't say about the future. Maybe the price falls down, but my technical analysis, my price prediction update tell us that there is a possibilities that after 10 July, the price will pump and you will get profit, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction? Please share in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.